Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to enable developer options on any Amazon Firestick or Fire TV device. Enabling unknown sources will allow you to install third-party applications that are not found inside the Amazon App Store. The first thing you need to do, guys, is make sure that you have the Downloader app installed on your device. This can be found by going inside the Amazon App Store and typing in Downloader and just quickly installing it from there. Now, once you have Downloader installed, to enable unknown sources, simply hover over the settings icon here on the home screen, scroll down and click My Fire TV, click About, and I'm going to click Fire TV Stick 4K Max or whatever this says here for your device until you read the message below. No need, you are already a developer. Now that we have developer access, I'm going to click the back button and click Developer Options. Click Install Unknown Apps. You should see Downloader here once it's installed. I'm going to click that, and you'll see it says On. So I have now enabled unknown sources for the Downloader app. So I'm going to click the Home button on my remote, and I'm going to go ahead and launch Downloader. So you'll see here I already have my IPTV Wire Quick Links page assigned to my favorites. If you want this and do not have it, you'll see the code here is 298344. I would suggest writing that down or viewing another tutorial, as I use this in dozens of my tutorials here on YouTube. So now that I have enabled unknown sources, I can install any application here with just one click. So guys, if I want to do that, I'm going to go ahead and just install Set Orientation. So I'm going to click that, and I'm just going to wait a few seconds here, click Install. And guys, you can install any application you want. I just did this as an example. I'm going to delete the installation files quick. Click the Home button. I'm going to hold down the Home button on my remote. And you'll see Set Orientation is right here, as I just installed that from my Quick Links page in Downloader. This cannot be found inside the Amazon App Store, and by enabling unknown sources on our Fire Stick, we are able to install this. So guys, that's it. Again, this is Bodie. I appreciate you watching this quick video on enabling unknown sources on your Amazon Fire Stick or Fire TV device. I hope this tutorial helped you guys out. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below, and I hope you guys have a great day.